Did you know that this white fluffy substance, as sweet and inviting as it seems, can actually be harmful to your health? Shocked? Stay tuned as we unpack the truth behind your favorite sweetener, table sugar. Welcome back everyone. My name is Dr. Saleem and today we are discussing something that is in almost every food that we eat, the table sugar. Sugar is sweet, it's addictive, but it also has a dark side. Let's first dive into the harms of eating sugar and after that we will discuss the alternatives which are a little bit more healthier. Sugar and weight gain, both of these things go hand in hand. The sweet taste of sugar is so appealing that we often overeat food that is rich in sugar. But why does that lead to weight gain? It is because when we eat sugar, it gets broken down into glucose, in fact, a lot of glucose. This causes a surge in blood glucose levels, and our body then starts to convert it into fat that is stored all over the body. Friends, sugar gives us empty calories, which means that it has no essential nutrients, just pure energy, just pure calories. So when we fill up on sugary foods, we are missing out on more nutritious foods that could keep our weight in check. Sugar is not just bad for your waistline, it is also harmful to your heart. But how does this sweet stuff affect your heart? That is one of the questions that you may ask. See, eating too much sugar can lead to obesity, inflammation, high blood pressure, and high levels of triglycerides. And all these factors contribute to the buildup of fatty deposits in our arteries, which can increase our risk of developing heart disease. Studies have found that people who consume a high amount of added sugars are more likely to die from heart disease than those who consume less amount of sugar. Friends, the story is not over yet. Consuming too much sugar also puts us at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. When we eat sugar, it gets into our bloodstream and triggers our pancreas to produce more insulin. Insulin is the hormone that helps glucose get absorbed into the cells for energy. But when we consume too much of sugar, our cells can become resistant to insulin. What does that mean? This means that the action of insulin is no longer as effective on the cells as it once used to be. This causes sugar to build up in our bloodstream, leading to type 2 diabetes. Well, this does not mean that sugar directly causes diabetes, but it certainly contributes to risk factors like obesity and insulin resistance, which can lead to diabetes. When we eat sugar, it also damages our teeth. Sugar is the favorite food of bacteria and fungus. So when we eat sugar and do not rinse our mouth afterwards, it allows the microorganisms to multiply inside the oral cavity and produce acids that can erode the enamel of our teeth, causing cavities and sometimes sensitivity. And this is why your dentist always warns you about consuming too many sweets and not brushing afterwards. Now let's talk about some healthier alternatives to white sugar. First, let's talk about fruits. Fruits provide natural sugars along with fiber, water, and various beneficial vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So if you want to satisfy your sweet tooth, it is much healthier and advisable to eat an apple, some berries, a pear, a chiku, or a banana, because these fruits are much more beneficial than refined sugar. Apart from fruits, honey, especially raw honey, can be a healthier choice too. It is sweeter than sugar, so you use it in less quantity and it harms you less. Another factor to consider is that honey contains complex sugars which do not rush into the bloodstream like white sugar. Honey also has small amounts of vitamins and minerals, and as per Ayurvedic perspective, it has several healing properties too. And by the way, if you want a 0-calorie sweetener, stevia can be a good option. It is derived from a plant and studies have suggested that it helps to lower blood sugar levels. Some people also use artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose, but recent studies have shown so many negative side effects of these artificial sweeteners that I would not recommend anyone to use such kind of sweetness. Friends, always remember that the key to good health is moderation. It's okay to enjoy sweet things, but balance it out with nutritious foods and be mindful of your overall sugar intake. And that's it for today's video. Before we wrap up, here is a sweet reminder. You are what you eat, so make every bite count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, this is Dr. Saleem signing off. Stay healthy, Hamesha.